You catch a glimpse of your scalp in the harsh bathroom light and realize the hair is looking a little thinner than it was last summer. That split second of panic is exactly what companies are banking on when they launch products like Peptonix. This system is currently making waves across social media feeds. It promises a complete transformation using copper peptides and microneedling tools. The marketing is slick and the science sounds sophisticated enough to be true. They talk about caffeine and niacinamide and a host of botanical extracts that sound like they came straight from a high-tech lab. But we have to be honest about what we are actually looking at here. Microneedling is a well-known concept. It involves tiny needles creating small channels in the skin. The goal is to help your scalp absorb the serum more effectively. This is not a new or exclusive invention. You can find similar rollers and stamps at almost any beauty supply store for a fraction of the cost. Then there is the serum itself. Copper peptides are popular for skin health. They might help condition your scalp and make the environment a bit more hospitable for hair. But conditioning your scalp is not the same as medically regrowing hair. The distinction is huge and often gets blurred in the excitement of a glossy ad. These promotional pages are designed to trigger your fight or flight response. They use countdown timers and warnings about low stock levels to make you feel like you are missing out on a miracle. It is a classic direct-to-consumer strategy. You see these incredible testimonials and you want to believe they are the standard experience. However, individual results vary wildly in the world of cosmetic grooming. It is vital to remember that these are not medical treatments. They have not been through the same level of scrutiny as the products your doctor might prescribe. You are essentially buying a high-end grooming kit. It might make your hair feel thicker or look shinier for a while. That is great if that is all you want. But if you are looking for a cure for thinning, you need to temper those expectations significantly. Do not let the scientific terminology blind you to the reality of the ingredients. Many of these botanical extracts are just there for a minor soothing effect. They are not magic. You should always look for independent reviews that are not sponsored by the brand. See what real people are saying after 6 months of use, not just the first 2 weeks. Also, keep a very close eye on the pricing and the subscription models. These companies often make it very easy to sign up, but a nightmare to leave. Before you jump in, consider talking to a hair specialist. They can help you understand if your hair loss is something a serum can fix, or if you need something more substantial. Being a skeptical shopper is the only way to protect your wallet and your hairline. Take a deep breath and look past the hype. There are no shortcuts in biology. Real change takes time and usually requires more than just a fancy bottle and a roller. Stay informed and stay cautious when a deal seems too good to be true. Your hair journey is personal, and you should not feel pressured by a website timer. It is worth noting that while these ingredients are commonly used for scalp conditioning, that does not translate to proven medical results. You are navigating a market filled with bold timelines and dramatic outcomes. Always stay grounded in the difference between cosmetic-grade formulations and clinically approved treatments. If you research thoroughly and track your spending, you can avoid the traps of high-pressure marketing. Your hair deserves a plan that is based on facts rather than just enthusiasm and flashy graphics. Stay curious, but stay guarded.